How to change car icon on Waze. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Waze app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, you'll find Driving Preferences. In there, click on Navigation. In Navigation, at the bottom, click on Vehicle Type. Then select if it's motorcycle, taxi, or private, as you will find different routes as you choose the vehicle as well. After you select the vehicle, it will change the vehicle type in your map while you're going to any location. And this is how to change car icon on Waze. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.